45 seconds left.
Oh, that was position rolled over. This top three battle, we're all right here in this corner. Holy crap. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at 400 RC Raceway for the HP Challenge 2026, and this is also the Eastern Triple Crown race 1 of 3, where each event from 3 different tracks, the points series will carry through the whole season, and then you can get a podium in that as well. First race, we're going out in Truggy with the Techno ET48 2.0. No changes to this from what you've seen in the last recent 8-scale races. We have been here for 2 days now. We're at the midway through the second day. So we did seeding on Qual 1 last night. Today we've done Qual 2, Qual 3, and now we're heading into the mains. On my Truggy, I've pretty much settled on a reflex tire being my ideal choice because I don't really have many other options for Truggy. Slightly bigger lug would have worked better in the day, but now reflex is working great. Last night I ran on a super soft version of this tire and it was money, my best qual. I love racing under the lights. Qual 1 at night, moisture went up, our temperatures went down, track grip went up, and I had my best run of the day. Today we've gone out on soft reflex and I'm doing pretty well still. I am top 3. I am currently P3 in Truggy, and I couldn't be happier about that. This is not a 40 plus. This is the full jam Truggy, all ages. I'm currently sitting 3rd in the A as my starting position, P3. We'll see if we can move up or stay there and lock in a podium for this event. They are just getting ready to do the raffles. This is Steeler Park. Everyone's lined up for the 50-50 and the draw for the kits. Here's the track layout at 400 RC compound. So this, coming down the straightaway, you have to brake from here, you brake over the line, and then you're trying to make this corner, and this is where it's starting to get a little rutted. This here, you're at risk of rolling over, as well as this one here, you jump into here, and then you're trying to make this corner, and there's also a risk of a rut rollover here as well. So the track has been holding up all right, but you do have to watch out for the craters as you approach the jumps. There's good lines and bad lines, but you just kind of do your best. Honestly, this is the first event where I've had almost no marshalling. I thought I was going to get through all the full day into the mains without having a marshal, but in my Q3 of Buggy I got marshaled twice. This is the biggest jump of the whole track, and I jumped off. I had a bad line and I jumped outside of the bowl. That took a long time marshalling, and then here I did roll it over on a rut. So the track is deteriorating a little bit. You got to watch out for that stuff that wasn't the problem earlier in the day. All right, here we go for the ETruggy AMAIN. I'll be starting in P3. Now they're running all of us in the A. We're going to be 15 trucks on the course. I think that's going to be a bit too much. And after my best qualifying I've ever done, starting in P3 with then that many cars behind me is a little bit intimidating, but we'll see how we do in this AMAIN truck. All right, we are gridded up.
4, 8, 7, 8.
I know, 15, it's so many.
It's gonna be gnarly.
It's
gonna be a matter of not getting taken out.
I'm hoping it's respect position through the first corner, but I don't know. I don't know. Otherwise, Berkey and everyone else is coming for us. 6 minutes?
I know it's gonna be hard. I know it's gonna be hard.
6 minutes?
8.
8, good.
Whoa, 8 minutes, 8. It's gonna be awesome.
All right, here we go, 8-minute main.
8 kill, that's first truck. AMAIN, 8 minutes, 8. We're gonna go on the sound. Oh, we need one more marshal.
Oh. Thanks, Dom.
Oh, this fucking bee.
2 more guys, 2 more guys.
Whoa, don't piss it off.
No, it's been here all fucking day. It's been down here all
2
day.
more marshal,
It flew and landed on my neck.
Yeah, the other guy I was racing with, he said it stung his
2
hand.
more marshals.
Yeah.
No, he's there, yeah. You gotta come up a little more.
I get more nervous during this stuff than
I know.
than I do when I'm racing.
I was good to go, now my guts are
Yeah.
Marshals ready. Drivers ready.
Not really.
On the sound of the tone. Guys, we're restarting.
Of course, the one time where I come out ahead, they restart it.
You know what will happen? We'll get taken out.
Yeah, exactly, and they won't restart it. Yeah.
Hey, you're gonna put it back. All right, 8-minute AMAIN. No passing from that center Less than 5. Alright. Little better. There it goes. Awesome. Awesome. That's good. Once you get spread out. All good, all good, all good.
Yeah, so much for the no passing. How'd I lose 3 positions till before the double?
Right now, once you get spread out, be okay.
Alright, lost a couple spots, not too bad.
Alright, first lap underway. It is Anthony up top. Dan and Ted, good battle. Top 3. Then it's Rob Blackmore, John Kennedy, top 5.
And you can see cars coming if they're going to hit you.
Right, starting to spread out, moving up the track. Now we got a good nice track. There we go. Anthony and Dan doing battle. Here in that center double. 4 on the win. One on my right side triple right now. Then it's Tim Burke. In the familiar red plate. One on that triple. All by Rob in the whole circle. John in the green and white. Top 5. Then it's Rayo, Corey, Dennis, Tim, Kevin, Joseph, Nick, Len, Beamsy, and Wayne. Just like that, Beamsy gets by Len. He's slowly making his way up. Nice
In the
stop.
4th now.
That's red and white. Yep, thank you. And the year down the whole circle.
Shit.
Sorry.
Come on, man.
Surprise swing.
Okay, well, drop back to here. I hope you can get a mistake on that part. And now it is Tim Burke up into that second spot. Oh, Corey's lost the wheel. I'm getting out of this one.
No, the wheel nut's gone. The wheel nut's gone.
It is Anthony. Here right now, 39-3. Close to go at the moment, coming on that front side straightaway. Lindbergh is second, the red plate. He is approaching the front right now. Up on B&B. Now they're all spread out. Pretty good. Everybody's finding their groove. Left. 4 minutes to go.
I think I'm holding 4th, but I got 5th green down my neck. And I think that's 3rd and purple ahead of me.
Oh, the spot of the stuff on that road. 3:30 left to go. Anthony, Tim, Rob, Robin, John, battling on track right now. For that 3rd spot. That's all purple. Thank you, Nate. That's all purple and green and white. That 3rd final podium spot. And home, this bit. Also right there for the 1.4 back. Then it's Ray Oakley. has 6 spots, followed by Dennis Gray.
3 minutes left.
Joseph, Kevin, Mitch, Tim, England, and wait, Marietta. All right, thank you for moving over there. And that battle continues. The battle for third place, all purple and green and white. That is the closest battle on the track. Dan Holmes trying to mix it up, getting back in there with that green, silver, and blue.
So I am in fourth in the battle for third with the purple.
Track on the outside.
Oh, that's a mistake.
Track. You saw it in that last qualifier.
All right, now I gotta reel them in again.
Pretty prevalent right now.
Two minutes left.
2 minutes. And keep it clean. Reel in the purple again. Oh, shit. That is for position behind me. All right, purple's in traffic. I'm right on them again.
Guys, oh my gosh. Somebody help out on the front, It's good.
Fuck.
Oh, that was unfortunate.
Yeah, it was.
Not still allowed to him to get back in there. Right behind Rob now. Somebody help out waving in center there.
Whoa, I messed up.
Anthony, your leader.
We're gonna have it because I screwed
that
that up.
right now. You got a 23-second lead over.
Now I think I'm back in the fifth again, if not sixth.
This 8-minute final. Rob, Blackmore, Dan, and John still doing battle. Let's see another close
45
battle.
seconds left.
Oh, that was position rolled over. This top three battle, we're all right here in this corner. Holy crap.
Close battle on the track was Joseph and Mitch, but Joseph out of this one, Mitch 50 go that spot.
30 seconds
And
left.
we got Mean Dean 3.1 down to Tim for that 11th spot. Those are the close battles right now. 38-4 hot lap out of Anthony this one. Just flying.
15 seconds left.
15 seconds to go.
I'll block the door on him. Oh, no.
Anthony Bishamber done. Rob Blackmore done. Kevin Nicole. Johnson done. Dan Holmes done. Mitch Thomas
Drag race down the finish.
Anthony, you're done. State King will win. Nice job.
Ray Mobley done.
Rob Blackmore done.
All right, I don't know. We'll have to see. All right, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. You want to talk, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
The race is completed.